In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently save your Google site as a PDF document. This process is straightforward and just involves a few simple steps. First off, make sure you're on your Google site, which is your go-to place for creating both personal and professional websites. Once you're on your site, you'll want to find the Publish option, typically located at the top right corner of your screen. It's important to be in the right spot on your Google site so you can proceed smoothly from here. Now we'll be heading to the drop-down menu located next to the Publish button. This is where you can view various options related to your site's publication settings. One important step here is to choose the View Published Site option. If your site isn't published yet, you'll need to publish it first following Google's standard steps. Navigating to the View Published Site option allows you to see how your site appears when it's live on the internet. This can be helpful to ensure that everything looks just right before converting it into a PDF document. After selecting View Published Site, you'll be greeted with your site as it appears online. At this point, we're going to set up to print this view, but don't worry, you're not actually printing anything. Instead, we'll save it as a PDF file. For this step, simply press Ctrl+P on your keyboard. For Mac users, you'll use the Command+P shortcut instead. This action will open your browser's print settings, displaying options related to printing or saving the current page. Here's where the magic happens. In the Print Settings window, look for the Destination section. The aim here is to change the destination from an actual printer to a PDF file. Click on this section, and you should see an option labeled Save as PDF. Select it to prepare your site's layout for PDF creation. Then, continue by clicking the Save button. This will prompt your browser to save a PDF version of your site to your computer. You can choose the destination folder where you'd like to keep this PDF, typically your Documents or Desktop folder for easy access. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully saved your Google site as a PDF. Having a PDF version of your site can be incredibly helpful for offline sharing, archiving, or simply keeping a backup. This method ensures that you have a clear and well-organized document that mimics the live version of your site. I hope you found this guide helpful and straightforward. For more insightful tutorials, make sure to explore other videos on our channel and feel free to reach out with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Thank you for watching and have a great day.